Hey guys, Tech Ass here. You know what they say, an apple a day. That's my catchphrase if you didn't know. Anyways, the reason I haven't uploaded in so long is because I was actually at Apple's keynote event. And as you can see in all these tweets I posted, that I have a lot to say. Please, please use me. What the fuck? Ever since I was a little man, I was bullied for being this stupid phone. Please, please, I've never felt the touch of another man. Please, I'm dying to be used. Please, if you are listening to me. Fuck, man, I lost it all. Please help me with the problems. Help me. Life are bullying me. I just want the— Shut the fuck up, no one cares. Know your place, trash. I've seen a lot of comments, saying you guys are disappointed in Apple, that they're just re-releasing the same thing with no changes. Well, you guys are nitpicking and wrong. I win. Bye-bye. Anyways, most of the comments I've seen are pretty disappointed that we didn't get new Airpods at the announcement. Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. Apple actually invited me to go to their backstage event
sponsor,
and only
me,
and they revealed the Airpods to me and let me bring home a pair. So
hashtag an apple a day.
So in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the unreleased Airpods 3. Let's get it! Looking at it, it seems like they kept relatively the same design. Now I know some of you in the comments will be all like, Apple was lazy and they didn't change anything, they're just re-releasing the same thing. But just shut up. This is completely different, trust me. These are completely different. They're going to change the game. So our normal Apple unboxing experience, typical box, and then you slide it out. Apple in California, and then you get the AirPod? What the fuck? What the fuck? Is this a fucking joke? Is this the right product?
Yes! Just keep rolling!
No. This can't be right. I can't do this. What the fuck? So it turns out, I forgot to buy the Apple knife. Apple's so brave for doing such a bold design decision. God, I love it. Hashtag love Apple. Hashtag an apple a day. So, let's get right to the review. Gotta read the manual and figure out how to do this. Like, okay. Then go over here, and then you just kind of. Sweet, cool. So, there you have it. So for the new AirPods, to connect them, you have to take each one and sort of jiggle it in there for a bit until your Apple has an on-screen prompt to say it's connected. There you go. Left one, and then the right one. Connected. Alright. Now, let's do a quick sample test. I want to test the audio quality on these. Trebles pretty good. Just wait for this bass drop though. Just wait for it. Oh my god! Holy shit! That's good bass! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Oh man! I'm tripping out! Oh my god! Bass! Oh man, I have so much to say about this bass. Holy shit! So, oh my god! Right, let's see how good the touch functions are. Okay, that skips songs. Alright, pretty responsive. These are probably the best AirPods. Hands down, period. Best AirPods. Anyways, thanks for watching my review, and remember, the Amazon is still burning and we haven't done anything about it.